Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you, nice to have you back. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a 2-week update on this hair that I have in my head. My last video I did an installation, like initial type review, and that was 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to come back and update y'all, let y'all know how the hair is holding up and everything. So as you might know, may not, this is the Amazon Beauty Forever hair. Sorry if I'm looking up, I'm looking in the viewfinder. I should probably be looking at the camera, but yeah, this is the Amazon Beauty Forever hair, and this is the Brazilian deep wave. I love this hair so much. I think it's so pretty. I kind of wet the ends a little bit, not really, like just to kind of define them because I've been laying around. But yeah, so this is pretty much what the hair looks like. I do have in a 20-inch closure, a 20-inch bundle, and two 20-inch bundles. So this is what everything is looking like after 2 weeks. Yeah, this hair is really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump straight into everything that I want to say. So as far as maintenance on the hair, some curly hair, and it's curly / deep wave hair, is very low maintenance. I wouldn't say that this is low maintenance hair because if you get this hair, you definitely need to detangle this hair every day. Last week I got sick, like really, really sick, and I put my hair in a bonnet, and like when you're sick, there's no reason to take your hair out, especially if you're laying around, whatever. So I just have my hair in like a bun like this, and I put it in a bonnet, and it was like that probably for about 4 days. So I didn't touch my hair for 4 days. I left it in a bonnet, whatever. When I took the bonnet off, y'all, my hair was so matted, like so matted. And I can't even like be mad because I literally like neglected my hair. Like it's like I forgot I had a wig on. I really should have just taken off the wig and like set it somewhere, just in maintenance and out of respect for the hair. But I did not do that just because like I'm just like, I don't know why. I don't know. I was so sick. I was not thinking about my hair. So when it was time to get my life together, I took off the bonnet, and I was like, it was awful. So I had to wet it, go through the paddle brush, detangle it. It took longer than normal, but I wasn't mad. Like I wasn't like, oh, this is bad hair, that's my fault. I totally neglected my hair. So don't do that. Definitely don't recommend it. But as far as maintenance goes, every day what you're gonna want to do is when you wake up in the morning, wet your hair. So what I do is I just kind of like put half my head in the sink, wet it, then I take my paddle brush, brush it out. And I know in the last video I showed y'all what I was gonna put in the hair to tame the curls and like calm it down and keep it looking like this. And I found that the oil and conditioner was not it. Like Chief called, it ain't it. So that putting the conditioner in the hair just kind of weighed it down. It made it really stiff and just really heavy, and that's just not what's up. So I was like, okay, so I just washed my hair. I've also found that washing your hair is a lot easier if you just do it. So basically to wash it, I just put it over the sink, wet it, take some shampoo, do this, brush the shampoo through, and then I rinse it down into the sink. Instead of trying to get in the shower, like I had to really learn and understand that this is a wig. This is not my real hair. So no, you don't need to jump in the shower, try to be all cute in the shower with your hair because you feel like you got some curly hair. Oh, I'm finna get in the shower, I'm finna be wet and wavy. No, that's not it. Like, do not get in the shower doing all this with the wig. It's not necessary. All you need to do is put your head down over the sink, put some water, shampoo, comb it through, and rinse. Boom, your hair is washed. It's so much easier. It's not as aesthetically pleasing, but nobody sees you in the shower anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But anyway, so I washed it out, and my new products that I've been using this hair, let me grab them so I can show y'all. Okay, so these are the products. So I went to my local beauty supply store. I literally looked online and I was like, good products for curly weave, because I did not know what to put in it. Like, I mean, I know I could put mousse, but I'm just like, I want the best of the best. And the first thing that popped up was this, and this is the Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. So this is what it looks like. Just a little mousse, you know. I love a good mousse. So I went and got this one, and it works really, really nice. I really liked it. It really defined my curls. Kept them defined all day. When they dry, it did get a little big, but that's just this mousse. What this does, it defines your curls. It keeps them looking soft without them getting crunchy or anything like that. But I wanted a more defined look, so I got this Tresemme mousse, which is extra hold. So this, if you want to keep the wet look and keep it looking like this throughout the day, I would definitely do this. So what I do every day, wet my hair, detangle it with the paddle brush every morning, and then I mix these two on the hair. That's all I do, and it keeps it looking like this all day. Really, really pretty. You're gonna get a lot of compliments. I love this hair. So I wouldn't say the lowest maintenance. Lowest maintenance would probably be wake up, shake and go, but that's not this. But for the price point, it's okay. Like, if you want to look cute, you shouldn't have a problem, you know, doing something in your hair. If you're a person that just wants to wake up and go, good luck, and you let me know what you do and what hair you got. But for this, you're gonna have to do a little something. That's to be expected. As far as shedding and tangling, like I said, if you neglect it, it will tangle. Just don't neglect your hair. In the back here, you know, it'll get a little, but like I said, this is curly hair, so you really, like, you're gonna expect a couple tangles in the back. But if you're detangling it every day, like I said, you should not have like any problems with crazy matting, because it's getting detangled every day. Also, what I do recommend is putting it in braids at night. So I know, you know, a lot of people are lazy. I am one of those lazy people, and when I go to bed, I like to throw in a bonnet and dive in. I don't be trying to let me do my nightly hair routine. It's too many routines. You gotta take a shower, you gotta do your skincare. I'm about my skincare routine. Hair routine, like at night, I don't be feeling like doing all that. But if you really want to preserve it, the least you can do is take it and put it in 2 braids. It'll take you about 5 minutes, 2 chunky braids, just so, you know, kind of keep it uniform, so it's not just getting mushed and moved around all night and you don't wake up and it's like tangled and you're pulling hairs out trying to detangle it. So that's what I do recommend at night. You might want to wet it and put it in a couple braids. What I like to do, I like to put it in 4 braids. So I'll wet my whole head, detangle it at night, put it in 4 braids. When I wake up in the morning, unbraid it, wet it again, put my products in it, boom, bam, bam, boom, go. As far as the closure, I put a little powder, so if this is looking a little off, I probably shouldn't have put that light powder. I don't know what I was thinking. But you know, when you're wearing closures, I went from wearing frontals, I'm back to closures now, because the frontals, it was just too much. And what I have found is, you know, your closure will start slipping back, especially when you have your wig sewn on your head. It starts getting old, starts sliding back, and it's a hot, ugly mess. You do not want that. So at first I was using the Got2b to hold it down, but that starts making product build up, starts making it chunky, like just a bunch of gunk on your hairline, and that's not what you want. Excuse me. That's not what you want. So I have decided that I'm gonna start using old-fashioned spritz method. This is it right here. So basically what you want to do is, when your wig starts sliding back, I take a little alcohol, spray it, you know, just kind of rub the alcohol, clean the front of your lace, and then take alcohol, clean your little forehead, or, you know, wherever you want it to lay, clean that area. Take your spritz on your head, fan it for about 15-20 seconds. Pull the wig up, lay it down, comb your little hairs, tie it down with a scarf, and your hair will not move for days. That is Spritz method on the closure. Figured it out because I'm so tired of closure slipping back. That is so not cute. Like, if you're gonna wear a closure, you're gonna want it to blend just like a frontal. My frontals, if I do wear a frontal, I know I will wear a frontal again in the future, but I'm gonna try the Spritz on the frontals because the whole got to be gunky buildup, it ain't cute, it ain't it. We not fooling men's no more. They're not stupid. They can see the pancake batter on your hairline and it's not cute. So try the Spritz. How much is this? I don't know. This is probably like $4 if I'm guessing. 4, maybe 5. Beauty supply store. But anyway, yeah, this hair is so pretty. You know, you do what you gotta do. This hair is not expensive at all. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave all the links to this hair below if you wanna, you know, go purchase. Definitely go purchase. I have a little coupon code for y'all. I think it's like 7% off. So I'm gonna show y'all the hair from the back. Hold on, you know when you have your hair split and it be having that split in the middle? Let me show y'all. So this is the hair from the back. I don't know what she's looking like. Can you see? Yeah, so she's a really pretty, like, just, you know, beachy island girl type of vibe. I really love this hair. I think it's really pretty. It's really pretty with the contacts. My brows, ooh, sis. Ah! Anyway, I'm really excited because I love this hair so much, and this is one of my favorite wigs. So shout out to Amazon Beauty Forever. I know that there's the really big Beauty Forever hair company, and then there's Amazon Beauty Forever hair. I don't know if there's any correlation. I don't really care. All I know is Amazon Beauty Forever has been hooking me up. They hooked me up with some more curly hair. I did a video on them, and they've also hooked me up with this, and I really love them. I have a good relationship with them. They're really awesome. They're good on communication. If you have any questions, they will definitely get back to you, so feel free to email them. And yeah, so I hope y'all like this video. Let me know what you think about the hair. Let me know if you order the hair. Send me pictures. I would love to see, because a lot of people ask me, like, on Instagram, like, what kind of hair do I recommend? And I'm still finding my way when it comes to hair companies. But ooh, sorry, something in my eye. As far as curly hair, I always refer people to Amazon Beauty Forever because they have not let me down, and my hair be looking bomb effortlessly. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more hair opinions. I'm gonna start doing, you know, some more little videos. I have some more ideas that I want to get back into. I'm trying to get my life together and get back into the swing of things for 2019. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed to my channel and supports me, and I'll be seeing y'all in my next video. Okay, I'll see y'all. Bye.